Okay, students. So now what we'll do, we will understand how to divide the polynomial. This is very, very important. Okay, this is there since 8th standard, 9th standard. Okay, next, divide the polynomial. Second name is long division method. Long division method. Okay, now I have p of x. This is my dividend. This is my dividend. I have g of x. This is my divisor. Okay, first what I should do, I should arrange p of x properly. This is a tricky question. Okay, so p of x, first, actually it should be very easy. P of x is equal to, simple, which is bigger? First write 3x square, next x is there, plus x plus 1. Okay, what did I do? I changed it. Okay, I made it properly now. First bigger exponent should be there. Okay, so 3x square plus x plus 1, that's it. Okay, next, now what I will start the job. First, what is there? 3x square plus x plus 1. This is very, very easy. Okay, this is my dividend. Okay, p of x is my dividend, g of x is my divisor, x plus 1. X plus 1. Now what I should do? There are two techniques, but I will teach you the simplest one. First, what is there here? 3x square is there. Take that, 3x square. Next, what is the first one here? X divided by x. This is what you are going to do. Okay, so 3x square by x. So the answer is 3x. How 3x power 2 minus 1x? 1x will get cancelled. Okay, so 3x power 1 will remain. The answer is 3x. How did I do that? Because a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. This is the rule. Okay, 3x power 2 minus 1. What did I get? I get 3x. So only I have written here 3x. Okay, 3x power 2 minus 1. I got 3x. So now what is my answer? 3x. Okay, this is my quotient. First quotient, what did I get? 3x. Now what I should do? I should multiply this and this now. First what I should do? I should divide this by this. Very simple. This and this you divide. Next, whatever answer you get, you write there. Now start multiplying. X into 3x, 3x square. You will always get this only. Remember that. If you are not getting, you are doing some mistake. Okay, there is some mistake. Do it once again, you will get it. Okay. So x into 3x, 3x square. Next. Now first you multiply this and this. Next you multiply this and this. Plus is there. Okay, plus. Here also plus is there. Here also plus is there. So plus 1 into 3x, 3x. Easy or no? What did I do? I multiplied this and this, I got this answer, 3x square. This and this, I got plus 3x. Now what you should do is, now change the signs. If it is plus, you make it minus. If it is minus, you make it plus. So I have plus here, I will make it minus. This is also plus, I will make it minus. 3x square minus 3x square, cancel. 0. Okay, so x minus 3x. Here, what students will do at the beginning? They will think this is plus 3x. No, now this is minus 3x. You shouldn't see this plus only. This only should be visual to your eyes. Okay, so x minus 3x minus 2x. Now what is remaining? Take it down. Plus 1. Easy. Now this is my new equation. Forget this. Okay, this will be same. This is my new equation. Now I have what? Minus 2x I have. Okay, so now I will do here only. I don't have any space only. So minus 2x by, first what is there that you should take? Divided by x. Don't leave the minus. Some students will leave minus. The answer will only go. You will not get the answer. Minus 2x by x. X will get cancelled. What is the answer? Minus 2. What is the answer? Minus 2. Now that where I should write? I should write here x minus 2. Easy or no? Divide this and this, you will get minus 2. Now next step. Next step is what? I should start multiplying now. Now forget this. Okay, forget this. Now x into minus 2 minus 2x. See, you got same or no? Okay, you will get same. If you are not getting same, you are doing some mistake. Okay, always remember this. Minus 2x plus. If it is minus, make it plus. Okay, one second. Plus 1 into minus 2, minus 2. First you complete this, afterwards you do this step. Okay, I did. Okay, I am professional. Okay. So x into minus 2, minus 2x. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Okay, so this is also minus, make it plus. Next, minus 2x plus 2x, 0. Easy or no? Plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. So the answer is what? 3. So what did I get remainder? Remainder is equal to 3. Simple or no? So this was one method of a long division method. To clarify, to get guarantee. Okay, now see what I will do. To get guarantee, I will rub this first. After doing everything, what you should do is, what you do is, this is my p of x, this is my g of x. Now in place of this g of x I will put 0. Okay, 0 is equal to x plus 1. What did I do? In place of g of x I put 0. 0 is equal to x plus 1. Now x is equal to what? This 1 will go this side, so it will become minus 1. So what did I get the value of x? X is minus 1. Now what I should do is, I should put minus 1 in this equation. Now what is x? Minus 1. So p of minus 1 is equal to 3 of minus 1 the whole square plus minus 1 plus 1. 3 of 3 minus 1 the whole square. Okay, last class I have said it. Minus 1 into minus 1 you will get plus 1. So 1 plus plus of minus 1. Next step I will change it. Okay, plus 1. 3 into 1 3. Minus 1 plus 1. Cancel, cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 gone. What is the answer? 3. Same or no? This is long division method. By long division method, you are getting the answer remainder. This is the simplest method. But in textbook, they will ask this. In your exams, they will ask this. You should do both. Easy or no? Both are easy. Okay. This is also easy. It will take some time. Mathematics means what? We have more and more techniques. These are not only the two techniques which we have. There are still many techniques. But you have these in your textbooks. So you should learn this. That's it. Okay.